In this video, I will show how to light up the strip LEDs without soldering. So for doing this project, we need a strip LED, rounder for making holes, screwdriver, two camera power supply connectors, green colored wire and blue colored wire and a adapter. So take rounder, open it full, then take LED, make hole, then do another hole, then take blue colored wire. You can use black colored wire, even of blue colored wire. This side is negative, then connect as shown. Then take green colored wire, put in hole and connect it as we had connected previously. Then take connector and screwdriver, loose the screw, then take blue colored wire, put it in negative terminal and tight the screw. Then take green colored wire, put it in positive terminal, then tight the screw. Then tight them both as possible as you can tight. Now LED concept is over, but tape it. Keep distance in both the wires. Then take another piece of tape, keep distance in both the wire. If you not keep a distance, there will be shorting. Now your LED concept is over. Then take an adapter. There are two wires, one plain black and one black color strip, white color strip and small black, then again black color strip, small black, again black, white color strip and small black. So this is the plus one and plain black colored wire is negative. Then take an another connector, loose the screw, put plus one and white strip and one small black color, then again white strip wire to plus point, then tight the screw, then take plain black colored wire, put it in -1, then tight the screw, then keep it down and tight both the screw as possible as you can tie. Then connect them both, then put the adapter in a socket. It is bright. Now I am turn offing the light and flashlight. Now on. There is a secret switch. This is the secret switch. As you put the connector in another connector, this will on. Again I am turn offing the light and a flashlight off, on. It is bright. Now I am turn offing the light. So by these steps you can make a strip LED light. You can light up a strip LED without soldering. Thank you for seeing this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.